What if I told you that your thoughts aren't even real? Mind blown, right? Kasi kadalasan yung mga iniisip natin, na kinatatakutan natin, kinalulungkutan natin, kinadidepress natin, hindi nga totoo eh. Hindi pa nga nangyayari, pero hinahayaan natin na ayun yung mag-lead ng way. And if you know that that is happening to you and you want to stop it, stick around this video because that is also happening to me. Most of the time, I let those thoughts that aren't reality affect me so much in my day-to-day life, which is crazy, right? That's why I always say on my interviews that thoughts are just thoughts. Thoughts are a collection of events that we experience in our lives. Every experience, every thought, especially if those are negative, you should let them pass. Let your thoughts flow like water so that when the world shakes you, you will remain calm. Unlike if you are soda, a person shakes you or the world shakes you inside the bottle. When you open that, it explodes. That's just how our minds work as well. And that's the time when we have panic attacks. I'm guilty of this. I read in the comments na paano kung takot ka sa sarili mong anxiety. That's what happened to me every day of my life before. Because mine was chronic. It went on for months, my anxiety. And I also had a panic disorder. Whenever I think of the effects that my anxiety has, I panic. Takot ako sa sarili kong anxiety, which is crazy. Some people might think you're crazy. But then again, to each his own. Every person deals with stuff differently and every person experiences life differently. So if you've ever caught yourself being dragged by a thought that is not even real, question those thoughts. What is really happening? False assumptions are the number one cause because we believe in lies. So whenever you catch yourself believing in it, gather evidence, stay grounded, journal your thoughts so that you can understand yourself better. It could be harder for other people. Like me, it's hard for me to move past a thought that really bothered me, that I let embody me. That's why I should try harder by knowing what's true and what is not, which thoughts I should trust and let go. Because thoughts can really make you second guess yourself. That is why they don't deserve the final say. We, as spiritual beings, we have the ability to have proper understanding that you are not your thoughts. Yung mga takot sa heart attacks, most of them, they just see other people having a heart attack and then dying. That's not their reality. But they chose to self-identify with that. Kaya madalas papadala sila sa ER kasi akala nila ma-heart attack sila. Because isa din sa pinakamatinding effect ng anxiety is para ka talagang inaatake sa puso. Para ka na-choke dito because sa stress yung mga muscles mo and then yung mga organs mo, they are also in panic mode. But those are just thoughts that are feeding you lies. So build the proper discernment to know which thought is